guys, there's a mystery box. It's a digital mystery box. That means you get it immediately, and it includes 10 fonts. Let's go over the fonts first. You get Archie and Knight, Polymorph West Regular. This is a really neat font. Look at that. It'd be great for stencils too. And then we have Boogie Regular. Look at that one. That's a font. I've never seen anything like it. We have Cool Wool. I think it looks kind of like a sweater when it's, especially when it's smaller. It like kind of looks like a knitted sweater. But when you make it really big, it's really cool looking. And then Superstar, it has this outline around it. Citation, that's kind of cool. Ocean Sands Book. Premier Lightline, really thin font. And then we have Trade Gothic Display, a really thick font. And all of these fonts were written with one capital letter I typed in small. So when you see that they're all capital, that's the way the font is. These are all capital letters. These are all capital letters. T-chest is also capital letters. Look at these. These would be great for stencils. And then we have DJ Inker's Candy Cane. I love DJ Inker's images and fonts. This one's called Candy Cane. All right, now let's check out the images. First, we have Kim Byers, Leaves, Lattes, and Mistletoe. These are fun. There's lots of stuff for the holidays, for Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Team Naughty, Nice List. This one has Nice List 2019, but it gives you the extra number so you can change the year. Frequent flyer, that's so cute. And then we have DJ Inker's Celebrate All Year Long. If you buy this mystery box, you can get it for half price if you have premium access. Oh, there's one thing I wanted to show on here. Look at this. It has drawing on it. I want to bring this in and look at it. This leaf is so cool. And I really love this boo. But let's go down here. There's more images with drawing. This Easter egg has drawing on it too. And this heart for Valentine's Day. Look. And I think this is drawing. And remember, you can draw now with infusible ink pens and put it on a t-shirt. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh, wait, let's look at this one. And this one. Let's bring these in real fast. That is just so cool. Look at that drawing. You could even use a gel pen and do embossing on this because you can do heat embossing with the Cricut gel pens. I have videos on that if you haven't seen them. This is so cool. Okay, I might have to play with these a little bit today. Alex Maddox's Holiday Pillow Designs. Okay, so these are made with ironing them on a pillow, but you don't have to iron them on a pillow. Like this Let It Snow, this would be beautiful on my glass door. Or Hello Fall, Give Thanks. You could put them on t-shirts or sweatshirts. You can cut them out of vinyl and put them on anything. Look at this beautiful heart and this beautiful egg. All is calm. I like that. Stars and Stripes. Now this is really cute. Have a holly jolly Christmas this year. You could do some contouring and make this all different colors. And this also, the Happy Easter. Trick or treat. This is awesome. I really like this word boo. I could have used that on a project. Feeling lucky today? That's fun. Now, all these images will be in access in 30 days. But if you want them now, the only way to get them is to purchase the mystery box. And if you have premium access, you get the mystery box at a half price. It's an amazing deal. Now, by buying the digital mystery box, you get images right away. And to find them, you can go right over here to filter and search purchased mystery box or purchased, and it will bring all the images that are purchased. We're on categories. We need to go to, we can go to cartridges, and it will filter to all of the purchased cartridges you have. Now, I have purchased a lot of cartridges, so mine is completely full, but if you don't have a lot, you can find them here. Now, there's a link in the description. I do get a small commission only when you use that link. My code does not work on digital images, so it won't work on the digital mystery box. But remember, if you have Cricut Access, you get 10% off. And if you get Cricut Access Premium, you have 50% off. Hey guys, I'm breaking into this video to show you this leaf. Remember that leaf we looked at earlier? I cut it out of veneer. 3 colors of veneer. I used a pen. This leaf is awesome. Join me in just a few minutes on my channel after this video. We are going to make another leaf live with you guys. Thanks for watching. Comment below if you bought the mystery box. I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.